show you how to use this back-end social network API. First, I'm going to start the server, and now that's running on port 3001. And then I'm going to head to my Insomnia to show you how this works. So right now I'm in users, and I am trying to get all my users. So I'm going to send that, and it returns all my current users. And you'll see here it's populated with thoughts and friends. And down here is a count of friends. In my get single user route, I'm able to get just one user. And in this case, this user has a thought associated with them, and it's populated, the full object is populated here. And you can also post a user. So I'm going to post a new user. And see, now that new user is created. You can update a user. So in this case, I'm going to update this old user, and they've changed their email address. And then you'll see that email address has been updated. And then I can also delete a user. So in this case, I want to delete the last user that I put in. So come to my delete user route and put in their ID, send that, and that user is now deleted, which you can see here that they are no longer populating. Now I'm going to go over to my thoughts routes. And you'll see here are all my thoughts currently in this table. You can see it's also getting populated with reactions, if there are any, and a count of reactions associated with that thought. You can also get a single thought. That one didn't have an ID on it, so let's grab that one. So you get a single thought here. And then you'll see it returns that one thought. And then you can also update a thought. In this case, I'm going to update this thought to sounds great. Talk to you soon. Send that over. And it looks like there was no ID with that thought. So let's go back to all our thoughts, and I want to just update that first one here, and I want it to say, sounds great, talk to you soon. And you'll see it is changed. And then delete a thought. In this case, oh, I skipped post a thought. So let's post a thought. Let's say John Chen says, looking forward to the summer. Send that over. That thought has been created. You can see here, it is now populated. And I'm going to delete that same thought. In the delete route, stick that there, and that thought is now deleted. We can verify we're getting all our thoughts again, and you can see it's no longer there. Now I'm going to show you how friends get added and removed. So here, let's go back to all our users again. And I think what I'm going to do is have John Chen be a friend of Steph. So that means I'm going to get Steph's ID number here, go to add friend, she's the user, and that there, go back to my users, get John's ID, and say that John is now a friend of Steph's. Send that over, and you can see here John's ID gets populated as Steph's friend. And let's say I want to remove a friend on the same route, so I'm going to copy that route and put that there, send that, and Steph no longer has any friends because John has been deleted. Reactions. So in order to post a reaction, you need a reaction body. And say something like, so sorry to hear that. And let's say that was something that Steph said in reaction to this dot. I'm going to send that over. And you can see here a reaction from Steph about James's thoughts. And I can remove that same reaction by grabbing the reaction ID off of it. Oops. My mouse isn't working well. Okay. And then go to my delete route, and then I'm going to put that at the end of there. And I got an error, so I probably didn't enter that correctly. So see, that's the ID of the thought. Put that there. And then this is the reaction ID. And I believe that needs to go here. It looks like I did do that. Send that over. Okay, this time it worked. You see that the reaction is no longer there that I had just created. So that is how this social network API works. I hope that was helpful. Thanks.